Has a nice bassy ring to it. Everything snug? Gonna dry overnight, and then we'll glue the other ones tomorrow. Next up, we'll level out the tail block to match the thickness of the sides. form those to a nice shape. And then we'll use a wood file and rasp and sanding to get a good transition into the neck.